Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to become Discord moderator. So first of all, go ahead into your Discord and just go ahead and click the server that you use. Click on the server title at the top and you're going to be able right here to see the settings. Click on it. Basically just scroll a little bit down and you're going to see the roles. Click on it. Basically you can just go ahead by creating a role. You can just name the role name. Okay, maybe a coach, subscriber, or mod or moderator. So I'm gonna just choose mod and choose the role color. I'm gonna just choose orange and then hit create right here. And basically you're gonna see right here cosmetic, member, moderator. You're gonna select the role literally. Just go ahead and select it and then add the members that you want them to be a moderator and then click and then just hit finish, and now they're gonna be tagged or they're gonna be colored in orange as a moderator. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.